Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today I am participating in the $5 Goodwill Challenge for Fall 2018 that's being hosted by Hillary of Old World Home. Please check out her channel as well as the playlist for the challenge, which I will have linked below when it's available. And if you're new to my channel, I'd like to let you know I post several videos a week on how to creatively decorate and manage your home. So I hope you will consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button. And now I would like to share with you what I found at the Goodwill. So the premise of this challenge is to find an item or items for $5 or less that you can use in the decor of your home. You can revamp it if you want to, or you can just purchase it as is and have it fit in with your home. So I actually found 3 items. They all go together, and they are a small version of some candlesticks that I already have in my house. So I'm going to hold them up so you can see them here. Here's the largest one. This one looks like it's maybe about a foot tall, and then there's a medium-sized one that looks like it's maybe about 10 or 11 inches tall. And then there is a small one that looks like it's maybe about 8 or 9 inches tall. See them all? Okay, now the funny thing about this is the largest one was $1.99 and the smallest one was $1.99, but the medium-sized one had been marked 99 cents. Well, approximately $2 and approximately $1, that total came to $4.97. But when I got up to the cash register, I asked the person running it if they knew why the big and small ones had been marked $1.99 while the medium-sized one was 99 cents. She had no idea, and so she said, you know what? You can have them all for 99 cents a piece. So I was already under the $5 mark before I said that to her, but then she gave them to me for 99 cents a piece. So they came in at $2.97 for the total of the 3 of them, plus tax obviously, but I wasn't counting that. But these I am not going to do anything with other than use them in my decoration. And as I mentioned, I have larger ones. They are a couple of feet tall, most of them, and you have seen a couple of them in my in a $0 decorating challenge that I did, and I will put a picture of them in here so that you can see what those look like. So as you can see, they are the exact same type of candlestick that I already have, but these are a lot smaller. And I do like this rustic wrought iron wood because I have a lot of rustic furniture in my house that has wrought iron on it. It looks very Tuscan to me, and we have a lot of Tuscan elements in our home. So I think these will come in very handy for all sorts of decorating throughout all sorts of seasons in my home. So I'm not going to change them at all. So I was very pleased to have found those. It's often hit or miss at my Goodwill, but I lucked out that day. So did you like what I found at Goodwill? If so, please leave me a comment down below and give me a big thumbs up. And please be sure to check out the other participants in this challenge by clicking on the playlist button down below. And also be sure to support Hillary's channel if you've not already done so. I'd really like to thank her for hosting this. She has a lot of subscribers, and it's really nice of her to open up these types of challenges to those of us who are new YouTubers who don't have such a big subscriber base yet, so that other people can see what we're doing. Thank you again, Hillary, and thank you to all who watched, and I look forward to seeing all of you next time. Bye-bye!